Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a foot with rainbow nail polish. Let's draw a foot first with all 5 toes and beautiful nails. Now I'm going to draw nail polish. Now we draw some little clouds. And then a rainbow. Now I'm drawing the brush too. Let's color now. Cream color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, blue. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.